Picture this. It's 1 year from now. You've crushed your goals. Your health is glowing, your mind is sharp, your finances are flourishing, and every morning you wake up with purpose. Sounds unreal? It's not. Because everything you want is on the other side of one thing: fear of failure. And today, we're going to destroy it with 5 simple steps. Step 1, face it to erase it. The first step to overcoming fear is to admit it, not avoid it, not mask it with busy. Say it out loud. I'm afraid to fail. Because when you name your fear, you take away its power. Today, write down one thing you're scared to try and say it aloud. That's your first punch. Step 2, redefine failure as feedback. Failure isn't the end, it's information. Every time you fall, you learn how not to fall again. If you treat failure like feedback, you'll start using it like fuel. Reframe one past failure in your life. What did it teach you? Comment it below. Step 3, start tiny. Win daily. You don't beat fear with huge, overwhelming action. You beat it with small victories, stacked daily. Want to get fit? Start with 10 push-ups. Want to be wealthy? Track 1 day of expenses. Pick one mini habit that scares you but excites you. Start today. Post it in the comments. Step 4, visualize victory vividly. What does winning look like to you? Feel it. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. If you keep seeing yourself fail, guess what'll happen? Flip the script. Start playing the movie of your success on repeat. Tonight, close your eyes and watch yourself succeed. Make it real. 2 minutes. No distractions. Step 5. Surround yourself with power players. You're the average of your 5 closest characters. If your circle jokes about failure, you'll fear it. But if they embrace challenge, you'll crave it. Level up your squad. Find someone who's chasing their goals and connect. DM them, join a Discord, make your crew. Fear of failure isn't a wall, it's a mirror, and what you see in it is who you choose to become. Will you run or will you rise? Today, you've got the 5 steps. Face it, redefine it, start tiny, visualize victory, surround with winners. Take the first step now. Comment below the one fear you're ready to beat. Hit like if this fired you up. Subscribe if you're ready to transform your life. Let's grow together. Let's make the next arc your best one yet.